Today I am going to present on usage of slurry seal in payments. Let me start with the sequence. I am going to exactly tell what is slurry seal and then types of slurry seal, materials used in slurry seal and its mix composition, construction, application, quality control and its advantages. Introduction. Slurry seal is a mixture of mineral aggregate, slow setting cationic bitumen emulsion, water and additives, if needed, proportioned, mixed and uniformly spread over previously prepared surface. Slurry seals are used to fill existing pavement surface defects as either a preparatory treatment as a wearing course. Types of slurry seals. There are three basic aggregate gradations used in the slurry seals: type 1, type 2 and type 3. These are depends upon the traffic intensity and width of the cracks. Types of slurry seals. Type 1, as I told you, application for filling of hairline cracks. For type 2, filling of the surface cracks in between 1 to 3 mm and preventive renewal treatment up to 450 CVPD, that is commercial vehicles per day. For type 3, filling of the surface cracks in between 3 to 6 mm and preventive renewal treatment up to 1500 CVPD. The quantity of the slurry used in the type 1 is 4.3 to 6.5 kg per square meter, and for type 2 it is 8.4 to 9.8 kg per square meter, and for type 3 10.5 to 12 kg per square meter. Residual binder for type 1 generally we go for 10 to 16 percentage by weight of the dry aggregate, and for type 2 7.5 to 13.5 percentage by weight of dry aggregate, and for type 3 6.5 to 12 percentage by weight of the dry aggregate. Materials. Materials: bitumen emulsion, aggregates, filler, water, additives are used to make the slurry seal. For bitumen emulsion shall be a cationic slow setting type conforming to the requirements such as viscosity at 25 degrees 30 to 150 and penetration grade at 25 degrees centigrade 100 grams 5 seconds 60 to 120, and the ductility is minimum 50. Aggregates. Mineral aggregate shall be crushed stone dust, clean, sharp, hard, durable and uncoated dry particles, and shall be free from soft pieces, organic and other deleterious substances. Mineral filler shall be OPC. The quantity shall be range of 0.5 to 2 percentage of the weight of the aggregate, and the water shall be potable and the pH of the water shall be 6 to 7. Additives generally we used for the retardation and acceleration. Materials: type 1 ranging from 2 to 3 mm, type 2 4 to 6 mm, type 3 6 to 8 mm thickness, and for type 1 the percentage of passing through the sieve 4.75 100 percentage. For type 2 6.3 mm 100 percentage. For type 3 9.5 mm sieve, percentage of passing is 100 percentage. These aggregate passing in between 4.57 mm to 600 micron is 5 percentage plus or minus, and aggregate passing through 300 micron is 4 percentage, aggregate passing through the 150 micron is 3 percentage, and 75 microns is the plus or minus 2 percentage. The mixed design generally we refer as per MORTH table 529. The mixing time minimum 189 seconds is required, and the consistency 3 centimeters. And the limitations of the various materials: bitumen emulsion 10 to 16 for type 1, for type 2 it is 7.5 to 13.5, for type 3 it is 6.5 to 12. The water ranging from 6 to 12 percentage of weight by the dry aggregate, and the filler generally we go for 1 to 2 percentage by weight of dry aggregates. Additives 0.5 to 2 percentage by weight of the dry aggregates. These aggregates, bitumen emulsion, water and additives including set control additives will be proportioned by weight of utilizing the mixed design approved such that slurry seal mixture has proper workability and to permit the traffic within 4 hours without leading to the raveling. Construction, weather and seasonal limitations. Laying of the slurry seal shall not be undertaken if either the pavement temperature or the air temperature is below 10 degrees centigrade. However, during a dry spell, slurry seal may be laid in rainy season also, even if the surface is wet, but there is no stagnant water on the pavement surface. Surface preparation. The underlying surface on which the slurry seal is to be applied shall be cleaned of all loose materials, mud spots, vegetations and extraneous matter and shall be prepared and shaped to the needed profile. The surface should be swept clean by removing cake dirt and other foreign matter with wire brushes, sweeping with mechanical brooms and finally dusting with air jet. Application of tack coat is also required where the surface is extremely hungry and dry. Then the tack coat will be applied to create strong adhesion bond without any slippage. These are some photographs. The first photograph refers the cracks in the runway and second photograph refers the cleaning of cracks and third and fourth photograph refers the mixing of the slurry seal and application of slurry seal. After slurry seal surface is shown on the photographs 3 and 4. Surface shall be open to the traffic after slurry seal is a completely set condition. The maximum setting time shall be of 4 hours and speed of the traffic restricted to 20 km per hour for next 12 hours. Coming to the advantages of the slurry seal, it seals the pavement, thus preventing the ingress of water, low cost and doesn't need extra heating while placing. Slurry seal is easy to apply, protect as an anti-stripping property and improves the skid resistance. Thank you. Jai Hind.